Vivo recently confirmed that the X500 series will launch in China in September. The lineup includes 3 models, the X500, X500 Pro, and X500 Pro Max. Now shared 2 posters confirming the periscope telephoto camera specifications for the Vivo X500 Pro and X500 Pro Max. The Vivo X500 Pro Max will feature a 200-megapixel Zeiss APO Super telephoto camera. It uses the same 1/1.4-inch blueprint and Samsung HP0 sensor combination as the Vivo X300 Ultra, along with hardware-based 4X ISZ technology. The camera supports SEPA 7.0 stabilization, improved telephoto autofocus and tracking, 4K 120 frames per second slow-motion recording, and 4K 60 frames per second HDR video output. Vivo has officially confirmed that its X500 series will launch in September. It will include the Vivo X500, X500 Pro, and X500 Pro Max. The upcoming Vivo X500 Pro Max is currently being tested with a BOE-made 2K display. The panel is said to measure around 6.85 inches and feature a 2.5D flat design with ultra-narrow bezels enabled by LiPo 144Hz refresh rate. The Vivo X500 Pro Max could be powered by the 2nm MediaTek Dimensity 9600 Pro chipset. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.